So for number 6, I originally started out using just quantitative research and the American Educational Research Journal in the Academic Search Ultimate database of EBSCOhost. And I found a lot of really interesting articles, and I looked at this one, and then I realized, nope, it's the International Journal of Research Methods in Education. I looked at this one and realized it was from the British Educational Research Journal. And so after going through a few more, and then I tried a few different searches, including making it so it was had to be all strung together as a phrase and a few things like that. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do this an easier way. So I just went to the journal for the American Education Research Journal through Sage Journals, and then I just searched for quantitative. I looked for one with free access because I'm not currently on campus right now. And I found this one, and then I went into this one and downloaded the PDF actually, and then ensured that it really did use quantitative methods, and that is what I did in order to find that answer.